Good morning, student. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is from your English course book, lesson 8, that is paper boats. And this poem is written by a Rabindranath Tagore. So before moving a poem, we just know about a poet. So this poem is written by a Rabindranath Tagore, as I told you. He also known as Gurudev. He was born on 1861 and died on 1941. He was a poet, musician, artist, dramatist, and storyteller. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1913 for Gitanjali. He was the first non European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature, and he is sometimes referred to as the Bard of Bengal. So, this is the little introduction about a poet. Now, let's start the poem. Student, first I am reciting the poem and then I will explain the summary. So, you listen carefully. This poem is about the child imagination. So, day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them. So, in this para, poet wants to say that the innocent child and his dream. The child plays down by the side of a stream. He makes paper boats daily and float them down the running stream. He writes his name in black letter on them. Now in second paragraph, and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with silly flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. So in this paragraph, poet want to say that he also write the name of the village where he lived. He hopes that someone in some strange land will find them and know who he is. Sometimes he also load the boats with silly flower, that is famously known as Parijata flowers, from their garden. The silly flowers always bloom in the early morning when the sun is shining. He hopes that these blooms will be carried safely down the stream to some land in the night. Now the third paragraph. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting their white bludgeoning sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. So in this paragraph, poet want to say as when he launches his paper boat, he looks up at the sky and sees little clouds floating in the sky. The clouds appear to him like the white sail of a boat plunging in the wind. He wonders who might be his friend in the sky, who sent the cloud floating through the sky to race with her boat. The boy imagines that the cloud floating in the sky and his boat floating in the stream are running a race. So in the last paragraph, let's move. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading is their basket full of dreams. So, in this last paragraph, poet want to say that every night the little boy sleeps and buries his face in her arms and dreams that his paper boats are floating along the stream under the midnight star. He dreams that the fairies of sleeps are sailing in his paper boat and after loading them with basket full of dreams. So student, this is the little summary of this poem, The Paper Boat. I hope you all will understood. So the chapter is over. Thank you and have a nice day.